today, must I leave out? Must I wear my Mickey Mouse and sweater, a black skirt. Going to the bus stop now to go to the people that work. So next day, next vlog, next everything. Be good. Come tell them morning.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, guys. I'm not ready to see me. Don't you tell me. You ready to say hi?
Yeah.
No. Them then I see already you're still in, but you say morning. Juice, mellow, and small. What do bag? Yeah, peanut porridge. So you can have it right now. What is it now? The tree. It's like a cloth. So guys, this is what I'm having for breakfast right now. Peanut porridge from Juicy. So I'm gonna finish it now and then I'll go in. So we just tell her about my channel, she never know some vlog. You know how long we tell her? And she said she don't remember.
It's not me, it's Tiani.
So I'm still go for Tiani and put her in the vlog and cuss her off. But she subscribed, she's a part of the gang now. So you can send them a little 10 to 15 minutes intro and it will features from my vlog at the beginning of right?
Really?
So, yeah, that will tell her. Yes guys, if you guys want to be a part of my vlogs, so be a short 10 to 15 second video picking up Petagaye life and you know what? Just enter all my social links. For lunch now, I'm buying food at this restaurant. It's called Escape. I saw I just ordered baked chicken. I'm gonna some peas and pasta. But I'm not sure this thing. I'm gonna there because she dodged me yesterday. Because she was supposed to have lunch with me. You guys know. So me and she have lunch today. The man is still there. Oh, you man is an angry man now. I'm not so cute. Style of it. What's the man give me one spoon? Jesus.
So you eat with that?
No, I'm never eat with So tell me what you eat. Tell me the start of
Very good. Very good, nice with rice and peas. Regular nigula. Hope you guys can miss me. Miss you guys as well. What's new for vlog world?
Get my fuck. These are Nicole, I don't see a black them with the ketchup.
I'm black the vlog world.
Yeah, black vlog world. What you tell them say?
Today I eat some curd pork and rice and peas.
Oh, it's on my food. So, as much as I said, I'm going to have baked chicken. I'm going to show you my baked chicken up close. And Nicole, I never show you the up close version. Yeah. So, yeah. So, this is mine. So, yeah. Nicole, one.
Don't plaka.
She don't mash up already, so yeah. And I drink more water. And she drink her thing over there, so. I know my iPhone party. You want a spoon? I know so greedy people like me eat with spoon. I'll be when you're ready, you know. I'm already me eat with spoon, but now I'm out. I'm a professional. So, yeah. You want me and baby to play? Give me a done. You know, my shift's soon done. I'll let you from next week. But it's a go on soon.
You see this?
No, really. So I'm coming, I'm not going to go on shift.
Are you ready? Lunch was over, lunch was good.
My belly's full.
Mine too. See you later, vlog world.
So we're going I know me come over, me come on break, or my shift done, but either we are go home, lynching, then we go back to bed, and then yeah.
Yeah.
Before I talk about your babe,
Banana babe. That baby can't talk for nothing.
you know look one.
Yeah, baby, you need to put on it.
Eventually,
You need to put your babe on it and people them see it.
there's no one to my man. Yeah. Everybody wants to my man. Them not ask, so if them not ask, me not show them. So guys, I just reach home. Just done buy one Carlsberg juice and one what I call a tea biscuit. So I'm gonna go home now. Go home and pack. Go up on the road. Eat up China so. So yeah. Guys, I'm editing the vlog. I'm ready to say I never get to end the vlog after I reach home. So practically I just come on this to tell you guys thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Remember, if you're new here and you have not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the thumbs up and comment below and share my videos with all your friends and family. And remember to check out all my social. All the links are in the description box below. So I'm gonna pull up my hair now and clean and wash. So that's a lot of things, but that's going to be in the next upcoming vlog. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and big up on yourself, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.